Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this 5th day of Vlogmas, I'm going to make a very cool dessert, and that is chocolate pudding cake. It's chocolate cake plus chocolate pudding all together in a one dish. So let's get started. First of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And then in 1.5 cup of boiling water, add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Mix them together and keep aside. In a bowl, we'll prepare our sugar mixture. 1/3 cups of granulated white sugar, 1/3 cups of cocoa powder, and 1/3 cup of light brown sugar. Just stir them together. Mix it properly so that everything is incorporated. Now, in another bowl, we are going to sift our dry ingredients for the cake. This is 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. This is 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Just sift them all together. Give them a good mix. Now in another bowl, I'm going to take 1 egg. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm just going to whisk these together. And now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I melted the butter and then cooled it to room temperature before adding it to the egg mixture. So just beat these together with a wire whisk. And now I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. So just stir it together. So once they are mixed, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of walnuts, once everything is mixed properly, pour the batter into the prepared grease tin. I have taken 8-inch square tin for this. Spread that out evenly. You can use the back of the spoon also to spread this. So okay, now I'm going to sprinkle the sugar mixture on top. You can see it's quite a different type of chocolate cake that I'm making today. This is a perfect dessert for winter season. and then pour the hot coffee as evenly as possible over the top. I know you must be thinking that what a mess this is. But the best part is, whatever mess you are looking at right now will be baked into a proper cake. That is chocolate cake on the top and chocolate pudding at the bottom. Now I'm going to bake it for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So this is our ready pudding cake. The cake has pulled away from the sides. See, it's quite firm to touch and it has some cracks also here and there. So we'll keep this for some time to cool. Now it's cool now, and I'm going to take a slice of it. It's not very cool, it's just warm. Now this you can now serve it in a bowl or in a plate, whatever way you like. So once I'll pick this, you'll see some sauce underneath. So I'm putting some extra sauce over it. It looks really nice. You can serve it with some ice cream also. So I hope you like this recipe. This was the chocolate pudding cake, something different from whatever we make daily. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like the recipe. If you try this recipe, please do share the pictures on my Instagram. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So until next time, this is Dipali from dipaliori.com.